Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a sociology exam. Start by thoroughly reviewing your syllabus to understand the exam's scope and format. Focus on grasping the core theories and concepts, rather than just memorizing definitions. Try to link what you learn to current events or personal experiences. This makes the material more relatable and easier to recall. Engaging in discussions with peers can also solidify your understanding. When studying, creating detailed outlines from your lecture notes and readings can help organize complex information. Flashcards are excellent for mastering key terms, theorists, and their contributions. Don't just read. Actively test yourself by trying to explain concepts aloud or to a study partner. This active recall method is far more effective than passive review and helps identify any gaps in your knowledge before the exam. As the exam approaches, review all your past quizzes and assignments to understand common question types and your previous mistakes. Pinpoint the topics you find most challenging and allocate extra study time to them. Practicing with sample questions under timed conditions can significantly reduce exam day anxiety and improve your pacing. This simulation helps you get comfortable with the pressure of the actual test. On exam day, ensure you get a full night's sleep. A well-rested mind performs much better. Eat a nutritious, balanced meal beforehand to keep your energy levels stable and your focus sharp throughout the test. Remember to arrive early, take a few deep breaths, and read all instructions carefully. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.